Learn English. Hello, everyone. Here are the two words for today. Number one is a very big store with many little stores. Correct. Number two, what color is the house? Number one, please listen and write this in your notebook. The department store is very big. The department store is very big. Department store. A big building with many shops on all of the floors. Now we can make a flashcard for department store. And we also say mall. Malls are usually at ground level. Please make a flashcard like this. Write department store. Up here, two words. Down here, CTY, 1. This means city, level 1. And over here, the number 19 out of 50. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Department store. Department store. Number two, please listen and write this in your notebook. The berries are blue. The berries are blue. Blue. The berries are blue and delicious. Now we can make a flashcard for blue. If you say blue is my favorite color, then blue is a noun. But if you say the berries are blue, now blue is an adjective. All colors are the same. They can be nouns or adjectives. Please make a flashcard like this. Write blue up here in the top left corner. B-L-U-E. Down here, color 1, level 1. And over here, the number 2 out of 11. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Top left, ooh. Top right, you. And on the bottom, correct, blue. Game over. You did very well today. Today we learned we will go to a department store. Very good. A big building with many little shops. And what color is the house? That's right. Level 2, if you're high level, a place to take care of young kids. Daycare, correct. Number 2, Bob is strange. Number 3, don't waste water or electricity. Please write your language on the other side of the card. My name is Vinny from Canada. Thank you for watching.